guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor, and my name is Nikita, and today's recipe is cornbread. The cornbread recipe that I'm showing today, it is a very easy breakfast and snack recipe. You can easily and quickly make it during your parties and even for your breakfast. And you want to make something really soon for your breakfast, then you can definitely try out this recipe. To make cornbread, we will need the following ingredients. Firstly, we'll be using corn kernels of 2 whole corns. Nowadays, corn kernels are separately, easily available in the market. You will just need 1 whole packet of it. I am using 3 slices of bread here. 1 medium-sized onion, which is chopped finely. Ensure to chop it finely. 10 coriander leaves, again which I have chopped finely. Salt to your taste. Some jeera, about half a teaspoon. 1 chili. Here I am using 1 chili. If you like too much of spice, then you can use another half a chili. Oil. I am using about half a tablespoon of oil. I am using sliced cheese here. You can use any kind of cheese. You can even use mozzarella cheese or Swiss cheese. Coming to the first step of making cornbread, I have added all the corn kernels into a mixer jar. Now we'll add in the chili, jeera seeds, and salt to taste. Now we'll make a fine paste of this. This is how the paste should look once it's been made. Now I'll transfer this into this. To this we'll add in the onions, which we have finely chopped, and the coriander and the mint leaves. And just mix this. Once this is done, take our bread slice. You can also use white bread instead of the brown. 1 spoon of this mixture and spread it all over it. Like this. Spread it on another slice as well. We'll get into the process of cooking this. So coming to the roasting part of bread, firstly we'll heat a tawa, medium-high flame. Then we'll take this bread slice, put about 1 teaspoon of oil on this. Instead of using oil, you can also use butter over here. So and then we'll place this on the tawa. So the side where we have applied the corn paste, we first have to put that side on the tawa. So apply a little bit of oil on the other end. Meanwhile, turn your flame to medium and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So once this is done, we'll just check this if it is done. Yeah, as you can see, it's cooked really well. I'll show you guys this one as well. Yeah. So now I'll just put the cheese slices onto this. We'll wait till the cheese melts, then our cornbread will be ready after the cheese is melting. As you can see, the cheese is melting here. Once you flip it, before adding the cheese, please turn your flame to low. Yeah. So now since the cheese is melted, we'll just turn off the heat. Now our cornbread is ready and we'll transfer this into our serving plates. So there you go. Our cornbread is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and all that good part, and also comment down below and do let me know how you like the recipe. Thank you.